So as you can see that these lines are compressing and stretching as these dots come closer to each other or go away from each other, and they are doing it randomly. Let's see how to do this. So first of all, we create lines. Then we go to the shape properties, contents, shape, path, and select the path. Then go to Windows, create nulls from paths. We can create nulls that follow the points, these 3 points of the shape, or we can create nulls who our points will be following. So the points will be following the nulls by selecting this option. So it created 3 null points for each of these points of the shape, this shape. And now if we move these points, it moves the points of the shape. Now we need to give a random movement to these null objects. So go to its position, hold the Alt key and click on this clock icon and type wiggle. Now this has 2 parameters. First one is the speed and the second one is the amount of wiggle. We can copy this expression and paste it to the position property of all the other null objects. Next we can create circles. We move the circles to the center of the null objects. And then we connect the dot to the null object. And now the dot will be following the null object, which is following the point. Now we can duplicate the shape and connect it to the second null object. Now you can apply your effects and colors to make it look great.